Welcome back. Before we get to Sam, we want to take you to Levito. All seems to be quiet on the front there and peaceful day, but Sam, things are about to change, aren't they?
Yeah, Rob, Levito is actually one of the places that could get hit the hardest with this upcoming snowstorm. Huerfano County, anywhere from about 4 to 8 inches in some of the higher elevations, and even Walsenburg could be seeing some pretty significant accumulation. I'll have all your snowfall details in a moment. Here's your North Union Montebello camera. Mortgage Solutions Financial. The sun's seemingly trying to come out. But today, mostly cloudy skies this afternoon, which has really capped our high temperatures. So first and foremost, all these winter weather advisories, they start up overnight tonight. So up in Douglas County, the initial start time of the advisory is at midnight, as it does seem like I-25 through even the north half of Monument and into Larkspur, Castle Rock. We'll be seeing that snowfall first, then it'll creep on down into Colorado Springs through our Thursday forecast. Northern El Paso County, we start at 6 a.m. for the winter weather advisory and go until 6 a.m. Friday morning. So that's a 24-hour range time. And the Wet Mountains also under the winter weather advisories, and the very highest elevations of the Sangre de Cristos up above 11,000 feet there, 4 to 8 inches in some of the highest peaks. And even Custer County looking at a couple inches down in the valley spots of West Cliff area. Here's your radar shot. A couple rain showers already starting to spark up across central and eastern El Paso County. Nothing significant though. I actually haven't even seen a single drop of rain on any of our surface sensors. So a couple showers crossing Highway 24, but the vast majority of us in El Paso County will be staying dry this evening. Really no concerns for your evening commute tonight. It's much more Thursday evening into our Friday morning. That's when you're going to see the worst of the road conditions. Some snow-packed roads potentially, even some blowing and drifting. Wind gusts pretty strong tomorrow. Anywhere from 30 to even 40 miles an hour in some of the wind-prone spots like the Air Force Academy and western El Paso County could be seeing some stronger wind gusts as well. 63 for Pueblo residents, current temperatures, and all of us near seasonal today. 55 in the Springs. Our temperatures will be plummeting for tomorrow. I don't think we'll get out of the mid-30s, so enjoy the 50s while they last. Tomorrow, big time cool down, and then this weekend's forecast actually warming up nicely. Looks like Florence and even Canyon City, low 60s at the moment. 45 degrees up in Monument Hill, and it's our temperatures that are responsible for some increased snowfall totals through Monument and Teller County. Even Teller County is under that winter weather advisory for tomorrow, as you're looking at about 3 to 6 inches up in Woodland Park for your Thursday night, Friday. Tonight, though, 27 degrees in Colorado Springs, 32 in Pueblo. So keep an eye on these low temperatures tonight, because that's going to make all the difference between your precipitation falling as rain and snow. As we will be into the mid to high 20s in Colorado Springs, I anticipate a good portion of our precipitation to actually fall as snow. Just some light flurries. Here's your 8 o'clock hour tonight. Most of the moisture up into Denver, changing over to rain into the valley spots, but Colorado Springs, even some relatively clear skies overnight. That will not last. Your 2 o'clock hour rolls around. The far southeastern corner of El Paso County, rainfall, and then central and northern El Paso County, it changes over to snow. Nothing really accumulating for our morning hours tomorrow. It's our afternoon forecast when we're going to be seeing the majority of the precipitation in the Springs. Even some heavier snow bands setting up across Highway 50 for tomorrow evening, then gradually tapering off for the forecast period on Friday. It depends where that snow band actually sets up, between a couple inches of snow and pretty much nothing. Notice this model run is actually extending that dark shade of blue, crossing over into Otero County, and even a couple miles makes all the difference between 1 or 2 inches and nothing. Future snowfall here in Colorado Springs, 2 to 4 in the Springs, 1 to 3 up Highway 24, 3 to 6 up into Monument. And if you get into northern Douglas County, you're going to be getting walloped with even 4 to 8 inches of snow closer into Denver. 4 to 8 in Beulah Valley, 3 to 6 for your forecast down into Huerfano County. 3 to 6 in Walsenburg. Went about 1 to 3 initially in Pueblo, but it's possible you actually see some heavier snowfall. That's why we bumped it up 2 to 4. Here's your Woodland Park 7-day, 29 degrees for your afternoon forecast tomorrow. It will feel like the dead of January for you folks, with some snow on the way and also stronger wind gusts. Canyon City sitting at 44 degrees for Friday afternoon, mid-60s by your weekend forecast. Slim chance for some precipitation on Saturday. I wouldn't count on it though. Most of us staying dry for our Saturday, Sunday forecast. Temperatures warming on up nicely. So it's just this blast of winter for our Thursday, and then clearing on out Friday with a gorgeous weekend ahead. Rob?
All right.